Okay, so first of all, dinedeny nila na may 10 million, pero Vico Soto never said naman na he was sure it was 10 million. The way he explained it was like amplifying a point by saying, tumanggap kayo ng 10 million, pero alam naman nyo na may kasama yan, parang ganun. Yung interesting was, on Corina's first statement, sinabi niya na may resibo na tinanggap nga nila, na nakuha ng network, then binawi nila. Actually, for me, dapat hindi na siya gumawa ng pangalawang statement na biglang wala na yun, because it makes it look like you're now trying to hide something. So, yun yung isa nakita ko, number one. Number two naman, on the issue of payment, I think everyone naman in media knows that does happen. I think Sir JP here would be able to confirm that eventually, na talagang there is parang press release, public relations. They give money, do an editorial. Yeah. I don't really have a problem with that. What was interesting was how Corina and Julius Babaw defended their feature by saying it's parang an interesting story to tell. To begin with, these are contractors. They're not interesting people na suddenly i-feature mo. So medyo parang it doesn't have any legs to stand on na bigla na lang, parang interesado ako malaman ng buhay na itong isang negosyante that nobody knows about. And rags to riches. I mean, you would probably do a story on Ben Chan of Bench. Dahil alam mo yung brand, o kaya yung mga sikat na, Jollibee, paano nag-start? Then you would probably do that on a contractor. Parang nakakaduda man lang, diba? But having said that, ito lang masasabi ko, just to summarize my point. I don't blame Corina or Julius Babaw for what they did because honestly, when we all saw those features, did any of us see any impropriety? Nobody did. Kasi if you did, you would have called it out, right? Nobody did. Even Vico Soto didn't see it until lumabas yung issues of flood control. And then it all made sense.
Correct.
So, that's why I'm a little bit more forgiving sa nangyari. And I think it was more of maybe a bad judgment, but I don't think it was malicious why they did that story.